Writing the research rationale of a thesis involves explaining why your study is important and why it should be conducted. It answers the question, why does this research matter? Think of it as convincing readers that your study is valuable and necessary. Start by describing the problem or gap that your research addresses. For example, if your study is about the effects of online learning on student performance, you could write, with the growing shift to online education, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, many students have struggled to adapt. While research exists on online learning, there is limited understanding of how it impacts academic performance in university students. This points out the issue and highlights the gap in existing studies. Next, explain why solving this problem or addressing this gap is important. For instance, an understanding the impact of online learning is crucial for developing effective strategies to improve educational outcomes and support students in adapting to new learning environments. This shows the broader significance of your study. You can also mention how your research contributes to the field. For example, this study will provide insights into the specific challenges faced by university students and offer recommendations for enhancing online education practices, benefiting educators, students, and policymakers. This highlights the practical value of your work. For another example, if your thesis is about renewable energy, you could write, despite the increasing adoption of renewable energy worldwide, rural communities in developing countries often face unique barriers. Addressing these challenges is important for promoting sustainable development and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The research rationale should be clear, concise, and persuasive. It explains why your study is needed, what problem it solves, and how it contributes to the field, making readers understand its importance and relevance.